Quantum superposition simply means that a particle can exist in all possible states simultaneously, but when it is observed or measured, it exhibits only one state. The double slit experiment is a key demonstration of quantum superposition in action. It reveals that particles such as electrons or photons can exist in multiple states simultaneously. When particles pass through both slits at once, they exhibit wave-like behavior and create an interference pattern on the screen. This phenomenon can only be explained by quantum superposition, where particles exist in multiple states until they are measured, at which point their wave-like behavior collapses into a single definite state. The double slit experiment thus serves as a compelling example of how quantum superposition challenges our classical understanding of the physical world. Another important thing you must know about is the Edwin Schrödinger's thought experiment of Schrödinger's cat. Imagine a sealed box containing a cat, a radioactive atom, a Geiger counter, a vial of poison, and a hammer. The radioactive atom has a 50% chance of decaying within 1 hour. If the atom decays, the Geiger counter detects it, triggering the hammer to break the vial of poison, which kills the cat. If the atom doesn't decay, the cat remains alive. Now, according to the concept of quantum superposition, the radioactive atom exists in a superposition of both decayed and non-decayed states until we observe it. Consequently, the cat is also in a superposition of being both alive and dead at the same time. However, when we open the box to observe the cat, it collapses into either a living or dead state. Despite of being observed, quantum superposition has been very helpful in the growth of modern technology and physics and will contribute to many important areas of technology in the future. Thanks for watching.